Let's talk about the bystander effect. Note, I'm a student. This is a simplified version, and you're going to have to hack my bad stickman drawings. So someone needs help, but nobody does anything. There's a 5-step process involved. That's noticing, interpreting, to take responsibility, to decide how to help, and providing help. I don't know what's going on with that last picture. She's supposed to be helping, but she looks like she's attacking. So firstly, to notice, there's a few things that can deter people from noticing. That's the presence of other people, being in a rush and being desensitized to issues, as in maybe so many things happen in a certain place that you don't really notice anymore. The second step is interpreting. So what do you do? What are other people doing? And if everybody is not sure, that could be a pretty big issue. Third step is responsibility. Here, diffusion of responsibility can happen, where everybody thinks somebody else should do it. Just in the pictures. So someone will do something, why is he not doing anything, and I ain't doing it. The fourth and fifth step, so how should I help? What will it cost me? That could mean as in time, or can it hurt? Anything. Can it hurt you? Also people, so you could be intimidated, you could feel awkward, you can feel inhibited. And if everybody feels like that, nobody might help. Also, I was tired of drawing, so... Anyway, that's the end. Don't be a bystander, like how I was one of the times when I just watched a lady drop all grapes and just stared at her. Anyway, like and subscribe. Thank you.